Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. For this new year, let's make some new shaker greeting card. Take any colored A4 size paper and fold it like this. Now take a designed paper of 13 into 19 cm. Now mark 2 cm like this and draw a line. And write 2021 and cut it out. Now take a transparent glass sheet and stick it on the paper. Now take the card and stick double-sided tape like this. You can use any types of glitters. And sparkle some glitters like this. It is super easy to make. You can even make it to your family and friends. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And click the bell icon and press all so you never miss my video notifications. And very happy new year to you all in advance. Till then, see you on my next video. Bye bye.